sit in a cross-legged position, kind of say I'm happy about that. I want you to imagine a table on top of another table. Yeah. Client comes to me most of the time with the top table. I got a problem with my boss. Makes me feel not good enough. Top tabletop is, I'm not good enough. My boss said this to me, my coworker does this to me, my boss undermined me that meeting last Friday, whatever. Give me 4 or 5 table legs. If I cut out the table legs, what happens to the tabletop? It falls, but it falls on the bottom table. Guess what the bottom table is? Sorry?
Self-esteem.
Self-esteem. It's the childhood. Top tabletop will represent adulthood. Bottom table represents childhood. The bottom tabletop is typically the same or similar. I'm not lovable, worthy, good enough. What happened to you? Well, mom said this, dad said this, brother said this, sister did this. I tap on the table legs of the bottom tabletop. Make sense? Once I've got rid of the bottom tabletop, I'm going to build you a new table. We've got a new table now, and that is I am worthy. I am lovable. Thank you, dear divine, for raising my consciousness and awareness through these amazingly painful experiences that I can now be grateful for. Does that make sense? Yeah. Deep stuff, eh? You're like, Carol, I just had lunch, okay? I'm digesting.